guys, it's KitKath. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we'll be doing a quick unboxing plus first impression review of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And before we proceed to the review, please don't forget to like, share, hit that subscribe button down below, and click the bell notifications para notified kayo every time I post. So, another unboxing video na naman, and this time around, again, unbox ko na naman yung phone na hindi sa akin. This is the phone of my father na binili niya just this year as upgrade phone niya. And minsan napapaisip ako guys, parang kailan ko ba i-unbox yung sarili ko ng cellphone? Ano ba? Bakit kayo lang palagi? And eto naman, nagmamadali tayo. Nagmamadali ako mag-ayos sa sarili ko. Wala pang suklay, wala pang makeup, lahat-lahat. Kasi super excited ang mga people to do the unboxing and the first impression review, and of course by yours truly kasi ako yung may vlog. So ako ang mag-unbox ngayon sa bagong phone ng father ko. And just a disclaimer guys, I'm not like those other YouTuber vloggers wherein they're very knowledgeable and very techy enough to review the different specs, to compare this smartphone from this smartphone. So hindi ako ganun ha. Ito is based lang talaga sa first impression ko and my basic knowledge when it comes to smartphones and ano yung mga nalalaman ko na specs. And here it is guys, this is the smartphone that I'll be reviewing, the Redmi Note 9 Pro. We will try to see kung ano yung mukha niya, yung different specs niya, quality ng cam, and all those things. And this one has been released just this year, no May 2020. So let's open it. So upon opening the box, ang una yung makikita is the user guide ng phone, then meron din yung warranty card, and may free casing siya. And this one, of course, para sa SIM ng phone. And it also comes with a massive, and by massive, I mean talaga, as in super massive, 33 watts na charger. And here is the unit. So here is the unit guys, and I have to be super careful with it kasi kay Papa to. So patay ako kapag nahulog ko to. So first impression of the phone, it's a bit heavy. Hindi naman talaga super heavy, a bit lang, a bit heavy. And the back part of the phone, actually naiintriga ako to review the quality of the camera because as you can see guys, sa back part niya may apat siya na cam. And also what I love about yung sa back part niya is kind of like giving you a glossy design. So yan siya. So we will start reviewing the exterior of the phone starting by the volume. Ito yung volume button niya for increasing or decreasing the volume. Makikita niyo siya sa side. Tapos sa ibaba na part, ito yung power button. At the same time, the fingerprint sensor of the phone. So usually kapag mga smartphones, nakikita natin yung fingerprint sensor either at the back or sa front ng phone. But this one, yung power button niya mismo, ang fingerprint sensor niya. Then sa lower part ng phone, makikita natin yung headphone jack, yung speakers, and then yung microphone. And this smartphone pala guys has two microphones sa ibaba at sa itaas ng phone. For the charging port niya guys, it's a USB Type-C port as you can see here. And ang color ng phone or the smartphone is interstellar gray. So this type of unit has three colors: interstellar gray, glacier white, at tropical green. I'll be turning on the phone guys and I'll be right back.
Eventually,
on na yung phone and we'll try to check the quality of the sound and also the video by watching YouTube. So as usual, I'll be searching my YouTube channel, of course, para ano na din, marketing na din to. So I'll be searching KitKath, and I'll be watching my latest video. If you haven't watched it yet, please do foundation for flawless looking skin. So I'll be trying to adjust the volume. Hey guys, it's KitKath. Welcome back to my channel. So as you heard heard, no? Ang lakas ng volume nga. Ito yung pinaka-maximum niya. That is famous sa TikTok, and also, I think this technique is used for... And for the quality of the video, okay din siya. Click the bell notifications para notified kayo every time I post. For the front part of the smartphone, as you can see here, it has a 6.67-inch dot display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And sa back part ng phone niya, as you can see here guys, apat yung cam niya. Yung unang cam is a 64-megapixel ultra high resolution camera. Next is an 8-megapixel ultra wide cam. Third is ang 5-megapixel na macro lens cam niya. And last is the 2-megapixel depth sensor. Whew! As in, ang haba ng sinabi ko. Pero yun guys. And now, we'll be starting to review the interior part of the smartphone. Sa processor niya, may Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G siya, which means that it is perfect for gaming or for office purposes or anumang mga educational purposes man yan. And also, it has a 5020 milliamperes which supports 30 watts fast charge, which means na matagal siya mag-lowbat, and at the same time, kapag i-charge niyo siya, madali lang siya mag-charge. So for the storage and RAM ng smartphone, it has a 6GB RAM plus a 128GB storage memory, which means na pwede talaga siya for multitasking or for downloading multiple apps kasi hindi ka mamroblema sa storage niya. And for the cost of the smartphone guys, its SRP or suggested retail price is 13,990 pesos. And that sums up my whole first impression review guys of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below kung may mga specs ako na nakalimutan ko i-mention, or if you have good or bad reviews about this unit. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga i-upload ko na videos. And this time, I'm stepping in na guys. So I'll be sharing with you my skincare routine, my skincare do's and don'ts. Ito talaga yung pinaka-inaabangan nyo lahat. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!